So this is the video which I created today. I hope you really like it, and if you do so turn the black thumb blue, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And I have already done my brows. I have prepped my eyelids with the concealer and setting powder. So yeah, let's begin. I'm taking this Bhcosmetics palette. I have used the shade Meteor as my brow highlight. I'm just highlighting my brow first so as to get the guideline for my next shadow. So I'm using Meteor. You can use any eyeshadow guard or a tape or anything, or even if you not use it, it's fine. I'm just blending in the shade Electra and Earth from the same Bhcosmetic palette and just blending it in. With the deeper shade, which is Neptune, I'm just going it on the outer V and somewhere in between my crease, like so. I'm just working with Neptune on the outer V and towards. Now I'm applying black eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the last shadow in the palette, and I'm just applying it in the outer V to intensify the blue, so it looks like a more deeper blue than what it is. You can see. I'm now applying concealer from the inner corner to the outer 3/4 of the eye, like so, and just cutting it like a half cut crease. I'm applying the shade which I applied on my brow bone. Just where I have applied concealer is the shade Electra, and I'm just applying it. And now I'm using the shade Electra and applying it on the tear duct area. Also, I'll be going with the same shades and going on my lower lash line and blending the shadows like so. I have removed the tape. I'll also clear out the fallouts. I'm just applying Maybelline gel eyeliner on my waterline as it gives a very intense look. I'll also apply the same liner on my. I'm going with NYX eyeliner on top of the Maybelline gel eyeliner and applying it as close to lashes as possible. This is very much the complete look. I'm just gonna apply my lashes after the glue gets tacky, and that's very much it. The look is done. I hope you all liked it, and please follow me if you like it.